XGODY has been one of the front runners when it comes to producing affordable mobiles that help consumers get their hands on a smartphone with all the needed features as a big name brand would deliver without that hefty price tag. This is the XGODY X18. Coming in at a price of little under £70, this is set to be an affordable gem that might make for a great travel or spare phone. So is it worth the money and can it perform? Well, let's start by unboxing this guy. Like with most XGODY mobiles, you really only do get the basics in the box to keep the cost down low. You get the smartphone itself, including screen protectors, SIM ejection tool, micro USB cable, not Type-C unfortunately, and a basic gel case. Now obviously with a phone like this, it is by no means a device to compete with the bigger names currently dominating the market. This is purely intended on being an affordable option for those looking for something simple and reliable. What really stood out to me was its design. XGODY have opted to go for this premium classic right-angled frame. This is accompanied with a slightly convex rear camera, which adds to its minimalistic yet stylish look. With a thickness of little under 10mm and a weight of 0.49 pounds, it feels really nice in hand. It is actually quite a nice size, and to be honest, it feels like a premium product looking at the exterior and the feel in hand. And I think that's thanks to the glass back cover and the electroplated middle frame. It just feels great. The X18 is equipped with a 6.3-inch QHD display. Now the resolution isn't extremely high, but its display is large enough to provide a unique viewing experience when watching movies, reading information, or playing games on the device. It actually does a decent job at providing multiple viewing angles. There is a reasonable level of vibrance and contrast, but as you can imagine, it is a very basic screen implemented in here, so the pixel density isn't to be in awe about. We are running Android 10 OS, and with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of memory, expandable up to 256GB, there is no doubt by today's standards, these are low. But for the price point, this can be surprisingly good at dealing with day-to-day tasks quite well. Now by no means this should be looked at as a strong performing phone for mobile gaming and demanding titles like PUBG and Call of Duty, but for your basic games, it's more than capable of delivering a smooth experience. And to be honest, that goes for your generic tasks. And by that I mean YouTube viewing, surfing the web, and responding to emails. You can enjoy a reasonably smooth experience. The issues arise when you start pushing the phone to multitask and cope with demanding apps. That is really when you see this thing starting to struggle. It just simply can't do it. So if you are looking for a phone for gaming or extensive tasks, this probably isn't for you. But for your day-to-day needs, it should cope. The X18 has a 4000 mAh high capacity battery and an accompanying ultra long standby technology built in. This allows the phone to easily last a full day, and that is with moderate to high usage. As mentioned, to keep the cost low, they have implemented micro USB charging instead of opting for the upgraded Type-C fast charge. However, due to its battery's moderate size, the charging time isn't inflated. You can get a full charge in a short period. Now, as you can imagine, the camera modules on this aren't anything to write about, but they do deliver results that are reasonable. You have got an 8MP camera on the back and 5MP on the front. Nothing special, but some photos do come out quite well. If you've got plenty of light and you're in focus, the photo's not too bad. Now if you're planning on making this your go-to phone for photography on the go, it's really not the intention here. We can, however, take advantage of that front camera as we do have a smart face unlocking. It only takes 0.5 seconds from activating the phone, placing your face in the frame and unlocking. Now, although this isn't a new feature with mobiles by today's standards, for a phone in this price range to contain face unlocking, it's certainly something that is a welcomed bonus. Unfortunately, no NFC payment option on here, but come on, I think that was to be expected. Now, although this phone won't compete with other affordable higher end options, the intention of the X18 is to offer an affordable and reliable driver to cope with your everyday needs. By no means am I going to say this device is outstanding, but for that really nice price point, it is hard to complain about it. Be it you're an individual looking for a stable, reliable phone to take on your travels with you thanks to the dual SIM capabilities, or you're just someone looking for an affordable option that can withstand your daily needs, the X18 is a bargain for the price. With that said, be sure to check out this product in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.